Hey, it's Jason from SFL Designs. Just wanted to do a little quick video here showing how the Seed Pixel Poppers are put together. This is my method. It doesn't mean that it's the right way, the wrong way, the best way. I don't know for sure. But basically what we've got here is we've got a bird and cross from SFL Designs, and we've put our base seed poppers in already. So we popped these little guys in already, and they're ready to accept some pixels. So now we're going through the process of putting our seed pixels in from your pixel store. And basically what I do is kind of lay it out, and I've marked my last pixel over here that I want to run for this particular input, or output rather. So this will be 300 of these seed pixels in a row off of one port. And then I just kind of go to town, grab a bucket here of the backers, the backer plates, set them out so I can pick from them rather easily, and then just start pushing them in. Yeah, it is a little time consuming compared to regular pixels. But it's a different look. You're gonna save a lot of weight. I use this filament spool holder, this re-spooler, to hold my seed pixels. So that way on the roll, they're easier to pull off, and they don't twist, they don't get all tangled up. So it is nicer. It does take a little longer, but I think it's worth it in the long run. I won't need as much power injection. I can run a lot more pixels off of one port with some power balancing. Usually I try to aim for about that 300 to 400 range. We got 1500 pixels for this particular prop, so I was going to run 5 ports of 300. If I do my math right, that means that I'll have 1500 pixels. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Enjoy, and keep on pushing those seeds.